Today is very peaceful day for me and I'm really enjoy it.
Mate, you alright?
Hello. Okay, I will try to take your order because I am practicing English from last 2 weeks. I am, okay, ask.
Okay. Can I have a burger and chips, please? Cheers, mate.
Can you say it again, please, for me?
Burger and chips, please. Cheers, mate.
I thought I am learning English. I will ask from my teacher then what are you teaching me if I don't understand anything?
Wait, sorry, is this better? Can I have a burger and some chips?
Oh, you like burger? You want burger? Yeah. We have burger. Yeah, we serve burger. Yes, and one other thing.
Some chips?
You want Mr. Chips? Sir, sorry, we don't sell novel here. I think you need to go for the book shop and take some novel from there. Yes, we only give the burger and some other stuff if you want to eat.